In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a follow button to your LinkedIn profile. This simple yet powerful change can make your profile more accessible to potential connections and followers. So let's dive right into it. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to LinkedIn.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the login screen. Now, if you've already saved your login details, LinkedIn may log you in automatically. But if not, don't worry. You can sign in using your Google or Microsoft account or just use your email address and password. Keep in mind if you've enabled two-factor authentication for added security. LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your identity by entering a code sent to your registered phone number. This step is crucial for keeping your account secure. So make sure you have your phone handy. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate to your settings. You'll find the settings option by clicking on the Me icon, which is located in the top menu, right next to the notification bell. This icon typically features your profile picture. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This area is essentially the control center for all your LinkedIn account settings, allowing you to tailor many aspects of profile visibility and security to your needs. As you look at the left-hand side of your settings dashboard, you'll see a list of options. Click on Visibility, and then navigate to Visibility of your LinkedIn activity. This section plays a key role in determining who gets to see your activity on the platform. Scroll down a bit until you come across an option titled Followers. Clicking on this will reveal additional settings. Here you'll find an important setting named Make Follow Primary. This is the one you need to adjust to add the follow button to your profile. Go ahead and toggle this option too. By doing so, when others visit your profile, the follow button is prominently displayed, encouraging more people to keep up with your updates and activities. While you are on this page, take a moment to decide who can follow you. Allowing more people, not just your connections, to follow you can expand your network significantly. And there you have it. Just with a few clicks, you've made it easier for people to follow your activity on LinkedIn. This can be a game changer, particularly if you're looking to increase your influence within your industry or if you regularly share insightful content. By making it simpler for anyone interested in your professional journey to follow you, you've taken a strategic step in enhancing your presence on LinkedIn.